So today we are participating in a 2018 Spring Floral Challenge hosted by Heidi Sambol.
There are two rules in this challenge, and the first one is there's no budget, so you can spend as much or as little as you would like. And then the second rule is it has to be some sort of decor for your home, and it has to involve flowers in some way. I'll be doing a vignette on a tray for my living room coffee table.
And my project is going to be a farmhouse inspired centerpiece for my kitchen table. If you're coming over from Heidi's channel and it's your first time visiting us, we'd like to welcome you.
And now we're going to walk you through our steps and how we did it.
Thanks again for stopping by. Hope you enjoy the video. Bye. And here are the items that I used for this project. 5 clear glass jars, which I found at the dollar store. This wooden rectangle box that I found at Michael's. It was on sale for $11.99. You'll need a pair of scissors and 2 of the white berry bundles, which I found at Michael's. And what I did was I separated each of the stems from the bundle and placed 3 sprigs in each of the glass jars. And I only needed 1 stem from the second bundle of flowers, so you could probably get by with just purchasing 1 bundle of the flowers. And here I'm cutting one of the stems a little shorter, just to give it a little bit more dimension in each of the little glass vases. I decided to set up my kitchen table with my new centerpiece. The dishes I already owned, and the little linen napkins I purchased at Marshall's for $5.99 for a set of 4. And here I'm deciding on which of my glasses that I wanted to use. I decided to go with the mason jar glasses that I have purchased from the dollar store a while ago. And here's the finished product. What an easy and quick way to refresh your kitchen and kitchen table. And the total for my project was around $33.
Here are all the materials for my project. I was able to buy my flowers from the Dollar Tree, and the rest of the stuff I had around the house. So my project only cost $10. got almost done arranging all my flowers, I decided that I didn't like the little pink flowers in the middle, So I took them out and refluffed everything. Sometimes you just have to keep rearranging. You have to take things out, put it back in until you get the look that you're wanting.